Having instant access to fresh water can be an incredible convenience. With the self-cleaning water cooler dispenser, no more settling for questionable tap water or using plastic bottles, just on-demand healthy water with minimal maintenance. Our experts researched and reviewed the 5 top-rated self-cleaning water cooler dispensers on the market. We'll explain the differences between each model to find the perfect fit for your specific use case. Don't forget to check the description box below for additional product information and our exclusive direct discount prices. Let's dive in. Starting with number 5 is the best 5-gallon option, the Primo bottom-loading self-sanitizing water dispenser. Perfect as a self-cleaning water dispenser for the office. The Primo bottom-loading self-sanitizing water dispenser uses a 5-gallon water jug that can be loaded into a bottom compartment to avoid lifting and flipping when refilling your water. The bottle is also concealed to give the dispenser a modern, minimal look, so that it easily blends well with the rest of your interiors. It has 3 dispenser spouts for ice cold, cool, and hot water, so you have options depending on what you want to drink, and it includes a child-resistant safety feature that prevents any accidental scalding and burns, especially if you're going to use the dispenser at home. The Primo bottom-loading self-sanitizing water dispenser has a stainless steel water reservoir and a removable stainless steel drip tray that you can easily clean because it's dishwater safe. This water dispenser is made with only the best materials to guarantee durability, and it even includes a 1-year warranty to make sure that you really get the most value from your investment. But one of the biggest benefits of using the Primo bottom-loading water dispenser is its self-sanitizing feature, using ozone technology that automatically sanitizes the dispenser without interfering with its water dispensing capabilities. The pros are its bottom-loading compartment for convenience, its self-sanitizing ozone feature, it includes a 1-year limited warranty, and the durable stainless steel construction. The cons are that it doesn't have a filtration system, and you need to refill with 5-gallon water jugs. Next at number 4 is the best countertop option, the Brio self-cleaning countertop bottleless water cooler dispenser. If you have a small kitchen or office space and having a standalone dispenser isn't an option, you can opt for the best countertop water dispenser, the Brio self-cleaning countertop bottleless water cooler dispenser. Made from 304 stainless steel and compact enough to fit in any countertop, this water dispenser is perfect for small spaces that need access to clean drinking water. Like other Brio water dispensers, this countertop version comes with 3 water spouts for hot, room temperature, and cold water, giving you options depending on the beverage you're making. Since it is bottleless, you just need to connect it to a direct water line, and its 2-step filtration featuring sediment and carbon block filters will take care of removing contaminants like rust and dust to make your water smell and taste better. This countertop water dispenser also has a large dispense point and a nightlight, so it's easier for you to get water even during the night. But what really makes the Brio countertop bottleless water dispenser a must-have at home is its UV Care by Brio system, an innovative technology that automatically disinfects your dispenser, so you can be confident your water is free of impurities. The pros is it includes a 2-stage water filtration system. Its sleek stainless steel design is perfect for countertops. Its large dispense point and nightlight for easy access, and its UV Care self-cleaning sterilization system. The cons are that it does not have as high of a water flow rate as standalone systems, and the replacement filters can add up. At number 3 is the best bottom-loading option, the Brio 500 series self-cleaning bottom-loading water cooler. Brio tops the list again when it comes to the best bottom-load water dispenser in the market today. Its 500 series self-cleaning water cooler features a convenient bottom-loading water compartment that eliminates the struggle in lifting and flipping 5-gallon water bottles. Unlike top-loading dispensers, this variant also keeps your water bottle stored inside a cabinet to avoid the eyesore and make the dispenser blend easily with the rest of your interiors. The Brio 500 has 3 dispensers for hot, cold, and room temperature water to give you options depending on the beverage that you're trying to make. It also has a nightlight feature that lets you refill your cup in dark lighting conditions to avoid spills. To promote safety, especially when you have children around the house, the Brio 500 also has a child safety lock that prevents accidental burns. It also lets you see your removable drip tray, so it's easy to know if you need to clean it. As a self-cleaning water dispenser for office or home, you can easily maintain this dispenser because of its ozone self-cleaning feature, where you just need to push a button and the unit will already clean itself. The pros are its bottom load compartment, its ozone self-cleaning feature, the child lock for hot water dispensing, and the hot, cold, and room temperature water settings. The cons are that it doesn't have a filtration system included, and you'd need to move around those big 5-gallon jugs. At number 2 is the best bottleless option, the Avalon A5 Self-Cleaning Water Cooler Dispenser. It's considered the best bottleless water dispenser on the market today because it ticks all the boxes in terms of efficiency, safety, and of course, quality. The Avalon A5 Self-Cleaning Water Cooler Dispenser features a stainless steel design that can fit seamlessly into any office, home, or break room. It's also fitted with an NSF-certified 2-stage filtration system, featuring sediment and carbon block filters that eliminate harmful contaminants in your water, especially since you're connecting the dispenser directly to your water line. These filters can last for up to 6 months or until you reach 1,500 gallons before you need to replace them. And since this is a bottleless water dispenser, you don't need to purchase water constantly. The Avalon A5 Self-Cleaning Water Cooler Dispenser also has 3 temperature settings: cold, warm, and hot, so you can customize your water according to your preference. The water dispenser also guarantees consistent water temperature throughout the day, so you always have access to drinking water whenever you need to. Plus, to make things easier in terms of maintenance, the Avalon A5 has a self-cleaning ozone function that takes care of sanitizing the dispenser's interior. The pros are its NSF-certified 2-stage filtration system. It's UL listed and ENERGY STAR approved. It has a bottleless design for unlimited water supply. And it has 3 temperature settings. The cons are that you may need professional installation if not DIY inclined. At number 1 is the best overall option, the Brio Moderna 3-stage bottleless water cooler. Brio has made its name in the water filtration market for its top quality filters and water dispensers. But if you're talking about the best Brio water dispenser, its 3-stage point-of-use bottleless water cooler is definitely on the top of the list. This water dispenser is equipped with an advanced filtration system that includes sediment, pre-carbon, and post-carbon filters to eliminate harmful contaminants that give your water a bad taste and odor. It also allows you to save money by eliminating the need to buy plastic water bottles that are also detrimental to the environment. You just need to connect this dispenser to your water line to enjoy an unlimited supply of drinking water every day. The Brio Moderna is also unique because it's the only cooler with adjustable temperature, giving you complete control of the heat or coolness that you like. It even has a nightlight that illuminates the dispenser so you won't have any problems refilling your water late at night. The body of this water dispenser is made with high-quality 304 stainless steel that lasts longer than other products. The sleek stand-up point design also makes this bottleless water dispenser easier to fit, even in tiny spaces. The Brio Moderna also has a self-cleaning ozone feature that sanitizes the dispenser's interior and water lines, so you don't need to worry about maintenance. The pros are its 3-stage advanced filtration system, its adjustable water temperatures, it has a self-cleaning ozone feature, and a nightlight and child safety lock. The cons are that it is slightly more expensive because of the premium quality. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive freshness discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.